The 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-car garage Victory floor plan offers 2,715 square feet of space to suit your family's needs. This stunning ranch-style home provides instant curb appeal, with custom details including a brick exterior with custom stone accents. As you step into the foyer, you'll be greeted by the spacious formal living and dining room, featuring custom crown and chair rail molding. Make your way into the country-style kitchen with wood cabinets, beautiful granite countertops, built-in stainless steel appliances, including stainless steel double oven and a gas cooktop range, and a convenient center island suitable for food prep or setting up a great buffet for friends and family. The bright and cozy breakfast nook is perfect for a casual meal or for after-school homework. The living room features a beautiful stone fireplace and can be customized with a wood mantel. Escape to the spacious private master suite that is tucked away from the secondary bedrooms and relax in the large master bathroom featuring spa-like amenities, including a garden tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. Just down the hall from the master suite is a study which can serve as bedroom 5 or an optional media room. The Victory floor plan also features a rear covered patio, perfect for enjoying a family cookout or watching the kids play in the spacious backyard. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Victory plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.